Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a database and a table in MySQL. Make sure that you have installed MySQL in your computer system. So let's open MySQL first of all. Type root as password. Now before creating a table you have to create a database. So let's create a new database. Create database and db5 is the database name. Now you can see query okay, that means the database has been created. Now if you want to check whether the database has been created or not, you can use show databases command. Show databases command will give you all the name of the databases that has been created within MySQL. Now you can see db5 has been created. Now if you want to create a table within db5 database, you have to make it active. Now to use db5 database, you have to use command, use db5. This command will make db5 active database. Now you can create a new table within db5 database. So first of all, before creating a table in db5, we have to figure out what information we want to store. So let's say we want to store personal information of students. So if we want to store personal information of student, the student information must have student ID, student name, student address, student date of birth. So let's start creating a table with 4 columns: student ID, student name, student address, and student date of birth. So let's create a table. Create table student. Now let's create first column, student ID. Data type will be int, length 11 digits, and it will be a primary key. Now let's create next column, student name. It will store the name of the student and its data type will be varchar, that is text, and the length will be 20 characters. Third column will be student address and data type will be varchar, and length means the number of characters will be 80, and date of birth, student dob will store the date of birth of each student, so its data type will be date. Fine, press enter. Now you can see that query is okay, that means the table has been created. But if you want to check whether student table has been created within db5 or not, you can use show tables command. Now this command will display all the tables that has been created within db5. Now you can see student table has been created within db5. You can create many table within this database. In this video we have learned how to create a database and how to create a new table. In the next video we will learn how to insert a single record, a multiple record within a MySQL table. If you like our video, please like our video and subscribe our channel for latest videos. You can also visit our website cstutorial.co.in for programming tutorials. Thank you guys.